Let me say something that's going to sound backwards to a lot of investors. Break-even deals are more dangerous than deals that lose money. Not flashy bad deals and not obvious disasters, the ones that quietly work. They cover the mortgage, they pass the DSCR, and they don't lose money on paper, and that's exactly why they trap people. Today I want to explain why break-even is not safety and why lenders approve deals investors shouldn't, and how these deals slowly erase optionality without ever blowing up. And if you've ever said, at least it's not losing money, this episode is for you. Let's define what people mean by break even. So when your rent minus your debt equals $0, that's the mindset. And as long as rent covers mortgage, maybe insurance, maybe taxes, people feel safe. But real estate is not a bond, and it's an operating business. Break even means no margin, no buffer, and no forgiveness for mistakes. And real life always has mistakes. Break-even deals feel safe for 3 reasons. Number 1, lenders approve them. DSCR clears, paper looks fine, and loan closes, but lenders don't care about you and they care about loan performance. These, number 2, don't hurt immediately. No negative cash flow, no panic, and no obvious pain. And number 3, they allow people to avoid hard decisions. You don't have to sell, you don't have to inject capital, you don't have to admit the deal is weak. So people sit, and sitting is expensive. So let's talk reality. Break-even means every single variable must cooperate. It means there's no margin. And let's add some real-world changes to that. If insurance is up 25%, taxes get reassessed, or one HVAC replacement, 1 month vacancy, one tenant stops paying, one balloon comes due, or refinance doesn't pencil, any of these will break the deal. Not 5 and not a black swan event. One normal event. Break-even deals don't fail from catastrophe, they fail from ordinary life. And here's the most dangerous part. Break-even deals trap capital. You can't sell easily you have a small pool of buyers. With the refinance, there's no DSCR cushion. You can't pull equity out because there's no NOI growth, and you can't raise rents fast enough. So capital just sits, and you're busy, you're managing, and you're dealing with repairs, but your money isn't working, and it's not safety, that's stagnation. So I see this constantly in DSCR deals, creative finance deals, and Morby-style structures, paid-at-closing deals. The structure works and the math technically works, but the margin doesn't exist. Deals that only work because seller payments are deferred, balloons are pushed out, refis are assumed, and rents are projected. Those aren't solutions, those are delays. And break-even plus a deferral means you have future stress and not safety. Real safety is boring. Margin means you have options, and real deals have cash flow after debt, room for mistakes, flexibility in timing, and multiple exits. They survive bad years, bad managers, bad assumptions, and bad luck. Break-even deals require perfection, and good deals survive imperfection. If a deal only works when nothing goes wrong, rates cooperate, tenants behave, and refis are available, that's not a deal. That's a gamble with slow consequences. Break-even isn't conservative, it's fragile. And if you're reviewing a deal and you want a second set of eyes, not to hype it, but to pressure test it, this is exactly the kind of work I do. Sometimes the smartest move isn't fixing the deal, it's not doing it all. And I'll see you in the next episode.